Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to download your YouTube TV recordings. Have you ever wanted to keep a recording from YouTube TV? Maybe it's a sporting event, a movie, or a show you absolutely love and want to watch offline. While YouTube TV doesn't offer a direct download button, there are a few workarounds you can use. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tricks. Okay, so in this video, we'll explore a couple of options. Screen recording will cover using screen recording software, both on your computer and your mobile device. Third-party software, use with caution. I'll mention a potential but risky option of using third-party software and emphasize the cautions that should be taken. Let's get started. Section 1. Screen recording on computer. Alright, let's start with screen recording on your computer. This is probably the most straightforward method. Both Windows and Mac OS have built-in screen recording tools. Windows *. Press the Windows key plus Alt plus R to start recording. A small recording bar will appear, showing the recording time. Open YouTube TV in your browser and start playing the recording you want to capture. When you're finished, press Windows key plus Alt plus R again to stop the recording. The video will be saved in your Videos folder, under Captures. Mac OS *. Press Command plus Shift plus 5 to open the screenshot toolbar. You'll see options for taking screenshots and recording the screen. Choose Record Entire Screen, or Record Selected Portion. Start playing your YouTube TV recording. Click Stop in the menu bar to stop the recording. The video will be saved to your desktop by default. Tips for screen recording *. Quality *. Maximize the playback quality of your YouTube TV recording to get the best possible quality in your screen recording. Sound *. Make sure your system sound is enabled and the volume is at a decent level. Notifications *. Turn off notifications to avoid them popping up in your recording. Section 2. Screen recording on mobile devices. Screen recording is also possible on your phone or tablet.
iPhone, iPad.
Go to Settings, Control Center, Customize Controls. Add screen recording to your included controls. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center.
Tap the screen recording icon, a circle inside another circle.
It will count down from 3. Open the YouTube TV app and start playing your recording. To stop recording, tap the red status bar at the top of the screen and tap Stop. The video will be saved to your Photos app.
Android.
Many Android phones have a built-in screen recorder. Look in your Quick Settings panel, swipe down from the top of the screen. If you don't have a built-in recorder, you can download a screen recording app from the Google Play Store, like AZ Screen Recorder or X Recorder. Open the YouTube TV app and start playing the recording. Follow the instructions in your screen recording app to start and stop recording.
Tips for mobile screen recording.
Storage Make sure you have enough storage space on your device. Battery Screen recording can drain your battery, so make sure your device is charged or plugged in. Orientation Decide whether you want to record in portrait or landscape mode before you start. Section 3. Third-party software, use with caution. Now, let's talk about another option, third-party software. There are programs out there that claim to download YouTube TV recordings. However, I have to strongly emphasize caution here. Security risks Many of these programs are filled with malware or viruses. Downloading and using them can compromise your device and personal information. Legality Downloading content without permission may violate YouTube TV's terms of service and copyright laws. I'm not going to recommend any specific software because of these risks. If you choose to explore this option, do your research carefully, read reviews, and scan any downloaded files with a reputable antivirus program. Understand that you're doing so at your own risk. Recap and conclusion. So to recap, while YouTube TV doesn't offer a direct download option, you can use screen recording on your computer or mobile device to capture your recordings. Remember to be cautious if you're considering using third-party software, as it could pose security risks. That's all for today's Fix Zone video. I hope this helped you understand how to download your YouTube TV recordings. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.